Alright, let's look at the homework 3.4, problem number 3. Right? Let's take the derivative of this given function. Alright, so first thing is I'm going to rewrite square root as a 1/2 power. So we have quantity x over x plus 5 raise it to the 1/2 power. Right, so actually 1/2. That's what I meant. At 1/2 power. Right, so let's take the derivative. Y prime is equal to. I put 1/2 in front, and then keep the inside function as it is. So x over x plus 5 unchanged, and then subtract 1 from the power, so it's a negative 1/2. And then multiply by derivative of inside function. So inside function is this quotient right here. So I'm going to use the quotient rule. Right, so square the bottom. So we have x plus 5 squared. And here, take the derivative of the top, which is 1 times the bottom minus top x times derivative of the bottom is just going to be 1. Right? So 1 really multiplied by 1 doesn't do anything, so I'm going to ignore that. So you have an x minus x, so you can cancel x's like that. Right? So we have this, and so we have, let's see, so let's clean this up a little bit. So here, this is going to be, alright, so since it's a negative power, it's going to be a reciprocal, so I'm going to actually take the reciprocal. Right, so it's going to be here. First, 1 doesn't do anything here, so 2 is going to be on the bottom, so I'm going to put 2 here. Right, and then we have here, we're going to take the reciprocal, so using a negative power. And I'm going to put x plus 5, so it's going to be x plus 5 to the 1/2 power on top. And then you have an x to the 1/2 power on the bottom. Alright, then, so that takes care of these guys, right? Alright, then we still have there's a 5 there, so I have to put 5 on top, and then we still have x plus 5 quantity squared. So you have x plus 5 quantity squared. Right, so we can clean this up a little bit further. So this is going to be equal to, right here, we have x to the x plus 5 to the 1/2 power, and so we can cancel that. And then we have the square here. 2 minus 1/2 is going to be a 3/2. Right, so we have, this is going to be, so 5 is the only one on top. So we put 5 on top. Right, and then there's a 2 right here. Right, so we put 2. And we have, this is square root of x right here. So I'm going to put square root of x there. All right, then we have, I'm going to, let's see, so yeah, we can probably just write it as x plus 5, raise it to the 3rd power. So here, there's a 3rd power there, and x plus 5, so I'm going to put the 3rd power. Right, then we still have a 1/2 power here, so that's a square root. So I'm going to put that square root here. Right, actually, so I can combine these two guys together so that we don't have to write the square root twice. So I would probably write it as 5 over 2 square root of x times x plus 5 quantity cubed. Alright, let's type it in. All right, so what we got was 5 over 2 times square root of x times x plus 5 raise it to the third power. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.